Alright, we're back to show you the coconut shrimp cooking procedure, and I've got my countertop fryer here set on about 270. You don't want a really intense heat because we don't want that coconut to darken too fast before the shrimp is actually done. And shrimp and seafood as a whole doesn't take an incredibly high temperature to cook. It cooks very quickly, which is what we want to happen. We don't want it sitting in the grease too long anyway. So we want a quick cooking process as far as that goes, but we don't want to cook the coconut too fast because it's got that high sugar content in there and it'll tend to darken before the shrimp's done. I've got some skewered coconut shrimp, and we've shown you how to prepare these. They've actually been sitting in the refrigerator for about 25 to 30 minutes before we cooked them. That way we give it a chance to kind of solidify and the breading to actually gum up on the shrimp the way it needs to. So we're going to go ahead and lower these guys in. And I've trimmed my skewers just a little so that they'll rest up against the edge of the fryer here. I'm just going to kind of gently put those in there. We know we've got a good nice hot oil because we've got a good sizzle coming off as soon as they get in the grease. And incidentally, I'm using canola oil. Do those. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze these guys in. Kind of finagle my way around the other skewers. So we're just going to let those sit. I'm probably not going to mess with them too much. I'll just kind of move them around just a little bit so that we keep them from sticking together. And we'll come back here in a couple of minutes and show you the finished product.